Well, hello folks, and welcome to part 2 of my GoPro Hero 8 vlogging setup. So folks, I have two different types of GoPro vlogging setup. So folks, this is the first GoPro setup, and I suppose a pretty standard vlogging setup for a GoPro. So what we've got, guys, is on the bottom you just got a pretty standard pistol grip, sort of thing you use for most sort of styles of vlogging, that type of thing. Nice and comfortable to hold. There, well, you can actually see that, guys. Let's move away a bit. So yeah, pretty standard sort of a pistol grip there. Now this here, this is a GoPro mount to 1/4 tripod bush mount in there, guys. So that just screws in there. So pretty standard. I think that actually comes with the GoPro itself there, guys. So yeah, again, pretty standard sort of a GoPro accessory there. And what we have here is the GoPro is mounted inside the infamous Media Mod. So again, so pretty sort of standard setup apart from the Media Mod. Now the Media Mod actually has a built-in microphone, so-called shotgun microphone, but a bit of a controversy about that one, but they're calling it a shotgun microphone, but I'm not so sure about that. So that's the setup there, and on top of here, guys, this is my Boya BY MM shotgun microphone. There you go, guys. So that just plugs into the back there. That's one advantage with having the Media Mod, guys. You do actually get a couple of sort of sockets in the back. You can't really see it beyond the wire, but there's some sort of sockets in the back there. But that is the pretty standard sort of a GoPro vlogging setup, guys. So you know, you can hold it like that if you're vlogging or doing it that way. If you were in that position, guys, you would actually mount the GoPro facing the other way to be more comfortable. But that pretty much is a pretty standard GoPro vlogging setup. So guys, this is the second setup. So what we've got is the camera is mounted on the Vivitar flash bracket, which is sat under there. And that's the Vivitar flash bracket up through here. Yep, you see that. Now, the GoPro itself is pretty much the same as the previous setup, with the exception of the mounting here now is we've got the standard GoPro fingers in there, but this is now the GoPro fingers to a hot shoe or cold shoe mount in there, guys. But everything else is the same in regards to the actual GoPro itself. Now, I don't know how easy it is I'm going to be able to show you this, guys, but bear with me because I'm hand holding the phone. But now again, well, you can see that on the back there, guys, when it focuses. Just here, I don't know why you can see it, guys, but just here is a little button. So if you push that button in, let's move about. So you push that button in, what happens is the whole lot comes away, and just leaving the camera on its own like that. So folks, with this part of the flash bracket removed, it now resembles the first sort of vlogging setup I showed you. Just a nice little pistol grip. But what I actually like about this, guys, it's got quite a nice angle to it. I don't know why you can see that, but quite a nice angle to it. So it's very comfortable to hold when you're vlogging. I'll turn it around, guys, so you can see that. It's very comfortable to hold when you're vlogging, and if you're actually talking to the camera sort of like that, guys, it's quite comfortable to hold that one. I don't know why you can see that like that, folks, but it's quite comfortable to hold. But it's a pretty standard sort of a vlogging setup, that. As I said, very useful to have. So I'm sure you're all going to ask the question to why, if the Canon EOS M50 there can shoot video, why I would actually want to mount the GoPro on. So folks, the reason I wanted to mount the GoPro along with the Canon EOS M50, or any DSLR for that matter, was that I wanted to concentrate on taking photographs and not have to swap between photo mode and video mode. And I thought it was just an easier option. I'm not sure how well it will actually work, guys, but I just thought it might be an easier option. So the Canon EOS M50, which I'm filming this video with right now, does brilliant videos, takes brilliant photographs, but the stabilization is not as good. And the other option is as well with this setup, I can actually mount it with any other of my cameras. So I have a couple of Nikons. One doesn't shoot video at all. The other one does video, but it's a bit big and bulky to use for vlogging and videoing. Would be ideal in a studio setup, but not out when you're vlogging. And I have a film camera, a Nikon film camera, which obviously is not going to shoot video. So really the idea of this setup was, as I said, I wanted to go out and do some vlogging whilst out taking photographs. That was the whole idea of this setup. And with the exception of buying this little mount here, guys, it didn't actually cost me anything, because most of the stuff I already had. Now I can foresee a couple of problems. So I think the first thing is, with it all mounted together, it's going to be quite big and bulky. And one of the reasons I actually bought the EOS M50 was because it's very small. So adding the bracket and the GoPro and the microphone and that sort of thing is going to make it quite a big setup. So it'll probably attract attention to itself, and probably be a bit uncomfortable because it's a bit big and bulky. That's the first problem, I suppose. And the other thing I think might be a bit of an issue is, if I have the microphone plugged into the GoPro and I want to film using the Canon or any other camera for that matter, I must remember to unplug one and plug it into the other one, and then swap it over again. So that'd be another problem, I think. But only time will tell on that one, guys. So that is the two vlogging setups I have at the minute. I haven't actually tried it in anger because we are still in lockdown, so I haven't actually been out and tried it in anger, but that'll be for another video. So guys, thanks for watching this one, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye for now.